How to install npm in Alpine Linux. So I can't get to install npm in Alpine Linux. I thought perhaps I can just do a apt-get npm, but apparently apt search npm returns nothing, even after a apt update. I'm experimenting with all this from the Ginx Alpine Docker image, i.e. docker run at Ginx column alpine/bin/sh. Edit 1. I can see how the Node.js Alpine Docker file builds Node, but I don't understand how it builds npm. Edit 2. Now that I know that npm gets installed with Node.js on Alpine, and just for clarification, the reason this wasn't evident to me at first is that on Ubuntu 14.04a, sudo apt-get install Node.js would still require a sudo apt-get install npm, which installs development packages, for example GCC.
For the recent versions of Alpine, v3.8+, the correct way to install Node.js with npm is apt-get update Node.js npm. However, npm package depends on Node.js, so you can do apt-get update npm. Note: since Alpine 3.8 there is no Node.js npm package.
I had an issue with the app manager. The package Node.js is no longer installing npm. See pkgs.alpinelinux.org. You have to install Node.js npm.
I could be wrong, but I think npm is actually a dependency of Node.js. I've never seen any flavor of package manager install npm alone. Always seems to come packaged with yum install Node.js, or apt-get install Node.js, or apt-get update Node.js.
apt update and apt add Node.js. Install the npm binary for me.
If you want to see the lecture, please consider subscribing.